Hey Amazon sellers, get the latest on what's happening on Amazon here every single Friday. I'm Jenna Lieber with TurnKey Product Management, the Amazon expert. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking a little bit about selling internationally. So a lot of you guys come to us and talk to us just about how you want to sell internationally, but you're nervous about just everything that comes with that. And that is a really common concern, right? Because selling international is really interesting in the sense that within every marketplace that you want to get into, within every marketplace that you want to expand into, there's a lot of different rules. You have to worry about the inventory getting there, the taxes situation, listing translations. You know, there's a lot that goes into selling internationally, and not only selling internationally, but doing so successfully, right? But there is a lot of reward when it comes to selling in different marketplaces. So it is really helpful when Amazon comes up with solutions and different tools that can help you guys sell internationally and, you know, kind of alleviate some stress while doing it. So one program that Amazon has decided to bring back is the North American remote fulfillment. And what you will see actually is a lot of the times they will refer to it as NARF. And basically what this does is this allows sellers in the US to sell in Mexico and in Canada using your same inventory that is stored here in the US warehouses, which is really, really exciting. So what's great about it is there is no additional fees to join this program, but there is a difference in fulfillment fees. But guess what? That's covered by the customer, which is super exciting. So let's go ahead and kind of go through some of these updates and things that this program entails. So first of all, what's really great about it is, you know, it's actually kind of shocking, but what's great is when you use this program, you will have Prime eligibility in Canada and in Mexico. So that's really great. All you guys know that when you do have that Prime badge, it's a big deal when it comes to conversion. So it is really, really helpful to have that Prime badge while still using your inventory here in the US. In addition to that, Amazon will collect and remit taxes on your behalf, so you won't have to worry about that. What is interesting about this is products will ship a little bit differently. So here in the US, if we have the Prime badge, it means that we'll get the product within 1 to 2 days usually. But through this program, even though you'll have the Prime badge, ship times will be a little bit different. So for Mexico, it'll be 6 to 9 days. And for Canada, it'll be 9 to 12 days. So instead of FBA fees, if you guys do decide to take advantage of this, you will see NARF fees instead. So NARF is associated with products shipped from the US fulfillment centers sent directly to customers in Canada and Mexico. So you'll only see that fee on products that you would want to enroll in this program. So that is just something to consider. What's also great about this is if customers do return your products, that inventory will actually go back to your US inventory, which is really helpful. So if you guys are doing removal orders on returns or anything like that, or it just goes back into stock and you keep selling it, you're good to go there. So returns, nothing else would change there. So in order for your products, right, to be eligible for this program, obviously there is an eligibility that comes along with this. So in order to do that, your product must pass Amazon's assessment of regulatory risk, and of course meet all trade compliance and in-country regulations, right? So, you know, we still have to deal with that stuff, but what's really great about the NARF program is that is going to alleviate some stress on the inventory because you're just gonna have to worry about your US inventory and staying in stock there. Now, when it comes to selling international, just in general, Mexico, Canada, UK, Europe, any of that stuff, it is really, really stressful, and there is a lot that goes into it. So if you are in a situation where you are looking to potentially expand into other marketplaces, or maybe you're already doing it and have questions or anything like that, please reach out to us. We're definitely here to help you guys. especially during this time when there is a lot of different things going on. It is different by marketplace. It is not consistent across the board. So if you guys have questions about selling international, is it the right move for you? Is it the right time for you? You know, please reach out to us, because quite honestly, our answer is different for every single person, because some categories, it might not be worth it, right? The effort might not be worth it in that particular country, but for some of you guys might be a big, big opportunity. So please reach out to our team by going to turnkeyproductmanagement.com/call, and we can chat about just that different opportunity, about different marketplaces, and see if it is worth your time, because your time is incredibly valuable. But other than that, guys, that's all I have about this program. If you have questions, definitely let us know or drop a comment. I will go ahead and comment right now a link to see if you want to enroll in this program. But other than that, thank you guys so much for listening, and I will see you next week. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Here at TurnKey, we are committed to bringing you the ultimate best. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe by hitting the bell here. See you in the next video.